to all of you. So we have come with the Hindu vocab today. So these words we are going to discuss today in the Hindu editorial. The first one is adequate and synonyms are enough, equal, fair, passable and satisfactory. The second one pig and the synonyms are fasten, hook, nail, pin, rivet and secure. The next one we have curve and synonyms are check, constrain, contain, control, hold back and drain. The fourth one downturn and the synonyms are decline, dip, drop, fall, plunge and recession. The fifth we have liquidity and the synonyms are fluidity, fluidness, money flows easily. So note it down for the future and let's check the previous answer. The first question we had IMF was found in 1945 and the second IRFA was renamed as ICMR in 1949. The third synonyms of intensive is complete. Now we have a quiz today and let's see. The first question we have how much liquidity support provided to NBFCs, that means non-banking financial companies, by RBI. The second how much basis point cut in reverse repo rate by RBI. And the third the synonyms of word pig. So let's now begin with the headlines today. India lockdown day 24. Health Ministry said 30% COVID-19 cases cured so far. That means out of 100 people, 13 people are recovered from this pandemic. All over the world, 2 million cases have been reported and total deaths is around 1,40,000. UP CM Mr. Yogi Adityanath has ensured that they are taking care nobody goes hungry in UP. So if we talk about UP, capital of Uttar Pradesh is Lucknow and CM of UP is Mr. Yogi Adityanath, as you can see in this photo, and the governor of UP is Anandiben. India has indicated the fatality or death rate at 3.3%. The ICMR has said the rapid testing kit is not for the diagnosis but for the surveillance, especially in hotspot. So if we talk about ICMR, ICMR means Indian Council of Medical Research. It was founded in 1911 as IRFA, that means Indian Research Fund Association, but it was renamed in 1949 as ICMR. It is a apex body in India for biomedical research. It comes Ministry of Health and Family Welfare. RBI has ensured that there will be an adequate liquidity in the system so that RBI has cut reverse repo rate by 25 basis point. So if we talk about RBI, RBI is a central bank. In other words, we can say that the father of all commercial or non-commercial bank in India. It was established on 1st April in 1935 in Kolkata, and the governor is Mr. Sasikant Das, as you can see in the picture. The headquarter of RBI is in Mumbai, means Maharashtra. So there is a term reverse repo rate. So if we talk about reverse repo rate and repo rate, so we can take an example. Let's take R as RBI and C is any other bank or commercial bank. So if R provides money to commercial bank or other non-commercial bank, the rate is called repo rate. This rate is called repo rate. And if RBI is borrow money from these commercial bank or commercial bank provides money to RBI, this rate is called reverse repo rate. Reverse repo rate. So 37 migrants laborers were trying to reach Haryana's Palwar's town in truck, but Delhi police has intercepted and sent them into shelter home. These are the people who gathered at Bandra railway station in Mumbai on April 16, 2020. India has decided to remove export curbs on the formulation from paracetamols. These are the drugs which are widely used for the treatment of COVID-19. Russia is going to treat the COVID-19 patient with anti-malaria drugs, that is hydroxychloroquine. Russia has recorded more than 32,000 coronavirus cases. So if you talk about Russia, you can see Russia in the map compared to India. So, and the capital of Russia is Moscow. The president is Vladimir Putin and the parliament name of Russia is Duma. RBI has announced to provide liquidity supports, that means 50,000 crore to NBFCs, that means non-banking financial companies. In these 15 crore, 25,000 crore is given to NABARD, 15,000 crore is given to SIDBI and 10,000 crore given to NHB, that means housing finance companies. Home Ministry has extended regular or e-visa of all the foreigners who are stranded in India due to coronavirus lockdown. It will be suspended till May 3rd. BCCI has decided there will be no IPL in this summer, but Sri Lanka shows interest in hosting this event because, as we know, IPL is the most popular and valuable game in India, and many franchises invest huge amount in this game. Now the time for one-liner. Important day today we have World Heritage Day. It is celebrated on 18 April every year, and the theme of this day is shared culture, shared heritage and shared responsibilities. Economy. The RBI reduced the reverse repo rate by 25 basis point and the current point percent is 3.75. Now person in news. Author of the book titled Settling to the Top, the story of PV Sindhu is V. Krishnanan Swamy. Now the general knowledge. Indian Railways founded on April 16 in 1853. Headquarter is in New Delhi. Coal India Limited is founded in 1975. Headquarter is in Kolkata. Now SSC founded in November 4th in 1975. Headquarter is in New Delhi. And now International Council of Monuments and Sites founded in 1965. Location France, that means Paris.